Tita here. Good morning. Okay, today we have an itinerary. We have an itinerary. Look at my attire. Gonna put this in.
I think you can hide it.
Okay, I'm ready. You ready for this cold weather?
Let's do it.
Okay, see ya. By the way, it's weekend today, so everybody's free. Mom is driving right now. And babe is right there. Babe.
Don't think about mom today for photos.
And we're heading to the place
My face was down.
where the sledding is.
Today I'm like,
Woo! Hindi ko na-feel yung grabing ginawa if I keep on moving. Yeah. Here we are!
alright, hi-ho,
We're heading now up the hill. Just where we're going to do our sledding. Look at this. Alright, so mom just dropped us and then pipick up na lang kami mamaya. What? Yeah, I'd love it. May mataas doon na hill, kaso lang hindi siya safe kasi feeling ko pag mag-slide ka doon, punta ka ng road directly, which is not safe, right? It's so nice. There's the sun today. Look at that. Ooh. I miss the sun, babe. You know. We're coming. We're coming. This is how you're going to exercise during winter time. He's gonna do it first. And okay, my turn. We're gonna go up. It's gonna be my boots is so heavy actually. It's a lot of work to be here. Now, I'm going to give it a try. It's my turn. Babe, I feel like I'm losing breath, you know, from going up.
Ready?
You ready? I'm trying to be ready. Alright, let's go.
But be careful you don't ruin it when you get up. So carefully step away.
Is it?
Jump.
Ah, that's cool.
That's a,
That's what we call
yep.
angel.
Yep, snow angel.
A snow angel. Okay, this time I'm going to put my face in the snow.
Okay.
I have running snow now. What? Let's see how my face look like in the snow. Oh!
Good one.
Guys, it's crazy, but it's actually nice to put your face on the ice. It feels that you feel like your face is so fresh. I don't know what my face look like now, but ooh, it's so cool. It's so cool. Oh, it's so nice with the sun. Ah. I'm gonna drink tea to warm up my body. I'm heading to the toilet now. Ooh, it seems that wait a second. It seems that the snow is coming into my jacket. There you go. I need to remove this. It's so nice. I am having a running nose now. Okay. You wanna drink tea, babe? And by the way, maglulubat na yung phone ko, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye. Bye.
Bye!
Wow.
Bye, guys.
The cemetery has a lot of